Cringer, why on Eternia did you jump like that?
There was no other way to warn you. You were about to step into a trap.
I am She-Ra! Help, She-Ra! Help me!
Ribbit.
Swim, Glimmer, swim!
Ribbit.
I'll take care of the Privian. You get Glimmer.
On my back, Glimmer, quick! We're all right now, Glimmer.
What about She-Ra?
I think she's all right.
Ride him, She-Ra! Ride him!
Adam's not gonna like this. And I'm not gonna like this. Nothing like a little evening swim.
Why, pretty kitty, you've brought your friend back. I see you've taken quite a liking to her. Why don't you join her in the cage? Welcome to the carnival.
He-Man, be careful! It's a trap! He can't hear me.
Don't worry, Cringer. I'll get you out.
Only one more step and He-Man will fall into the pit.
Oh, there's only one way to save He-Man now.
That creature saved him. It's all your fault, you flea bag. I'll have your hide for this.
Cringer, why on Eternia did you jump like that?
There was no other way to warn you. You were about to step into a trap.
You risked your life to warn me.
I did, didn't I? I wonder what came over me.
Well, I think it's called courage. Thanks, Cringer. As long as we're here, let's pay Skeletor a visit.
Oh, come on, He-Man. Haven't I been through enough for one day?
You'll feel better after this.
I can't wait to get my paws on that bony creep.
Look! It's them, Swiftwind and his mate Star.
Yes, we found them. Now is the time to switch to Plan B.
Plan B?
Yes, you're going to take the capture bots and catch Swiftwind's mate. Now, isn't that a good plan?
Oh, yes, it's wonderful. You're so clever, Master Hordak.
Of course I am.
I just love to fly over the ocean.
Me too. Look out, Star!
Surrender, unicorns! You are surrounded!
Fly, Star, fly!
Swiftwind's in trouble. I can feel it.
Close enough, robot.
The island. Have to get to the island? Swiftwind, help me! I'm trapped!
Watch it, you crazy unicorn! We're going to hit... Meow! Help me!
Please be all right. For the honor of Grayskull, let me help you. Oh, thank goodness.
She-Ra, it was Mantena. He's got Star. We have to go after him.
Don't worry, my friend. We will. But first, we'll fly back to the Whispering Woods and organize a rescue mission.
There's no time for that. Our baby is due any time now. And if it's born anywhere else but here on Unicorn Island, it will be just a normal horse and not a unicorn.
All right, Swifty. We'll find Star and rescue her by ourselves.
No, my friends. You will not go by yourselves. My royal guards and I will go with you.
She-Ra, it's the king of the unicorns.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Mantena must have taken Star to Beast Island. We're going to need all the help we can get.
So, Mantena, is everything ready for the arrival of our old friend She-Ra?
Yes, sir, mighty Hordak. Everything is ready. I just hope your plan works.
You'll see how easy it is to trap She-Ra once a great mind goes to work on the problem.
Oh, Swifty, our baby is coming soon.
Swiftwind, what is it?
It's Star. Our baby will be born soon. But it must not be born on Beast Island.
Then let's get there as fast as we can.
It's her! It's She-Ra! She's coming!
Yes, coming into our trap. Launch the force field generator.
Yes, sir, almighty Hordak! Force field generator launched!
Swiftwind, watch out! It's a force field!
Oh, no. We'll never be able to get through that.
How are we going to get to Star?
Maybe I can go under it. Wait here. I'm going swimming.
Oh, Swiftwind, She-Ra, oh, please hurry. The baby is coming.
Star, don't worry. I'll have you out of here fast.
And now to capture She-Ra.
What? Another force field?
That's right, She-Ra. And if you'll just look down at your feet, you will see that this force field has a floor. So you won't be able to dig your way out of there. Ever.
She-Ra, please. My baby is coming. It must not be born here. I have to get back to Unicorn Island.
Something's gone wrong. I have to get in there and help She-Ra and Star.
Swiftwind, no.
You are a unicorn. You can't swim underwater. It's the only way. If I can only make it, have to hold my breath for a long time.
Let Star go, Hordak. It's me you want. If her baby is born here, it won't be a unicorn.
Gee, Hordak, maybe she's right. I mean, after all, what do we know about babies anyway?
Tell me, Hordak, how was it you trapped me so easily?
Nothing to it. I just waited until you were in the right spot. and threw the lever on the control unit.
You mean just pulling that lever did it?
That's all there was to it.
Swiftwind, good work.